Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with a cold evening. Let a couple.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time of the year again when corn comes into season, and you already know what that means. This is something I look forward to every year, because once corn is in season, I can't resist buying some to cook for my family. And honestly, there is something about freshly cooked corn that just hits differently, especially when you pair it with pear. But let me tell you what happened on this particular day. The moment I decided to cook corn, the weather suddenly changed. Rain started falling from morning and continued almost throughout the day. I was like, this weather, did you actually dream about me? How did you know that I was about to cook corn and pear? The weather literally understood the assignment, because it became the perfect day for a hot pot of corn. So I started by removing the back of the corn and watching them thoroughly. While I was watching the corn, I was already looking forward to the final results, because honestly, there is nothing better than eating corn, hot corn, on a rainy day. You know the feeling, right? And the funny thing is, I had already planned to eat this corn with pear, but I didn't know the weather was part of my plan. So while I was getting everything ready, the rain kept falling, and I knew this was going to be a perfect rainy day, and it sure did. So once the corn was properly washed, I transferred it into a pot, added enough water to cover the pot, and allow it to cook. After about 30 minutes, the corn was already cooking nicely, so I added some salt. And honestly, corn doesn't need too much serene. Once you add your salt, you are good to go. Now you cannot talk about Nigerian corn without talking about pear. For me, corn and pear are simply inseparable. You can have corn with coconut, which is also delicious, but personally, I would choose corn and pear anytime, any day. So there was no way I was going to buy corn without getting some pear to go with it. So before washing, you will notice that I added some salt, then I washed it thoroughly, paying special attention to this part here, because honestly, I don't know why sand loves hiding in this particular spot. You see this head, at this head part, that yellow part, you have to scrub it properly, because the last thing you want while enjoying your pear is to start showing sand. So I washed them several times until the water became completely clear. This is exactly how I like my pear, clean and ready to eat. At this point, you can see how clean and clear the water is, and look at how beautiful the pear turned out to be. This is also one of the reasons I prefer preparing my corn and pear at home. I know exactly how well they have been washed and prepared. After washing the pear, I added it to the pot and allowed it to cook for about 5 minutes. Once it was ready, I took it out. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, hello and welcome. My name is Mma. I'm a YouTuber based here in Enugu. Please don't let this be your last visit. If you love what I do here, kindly like this video and hit the subscribe button. That way, whenever I upload a new video, you will be among the first to know. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications, leave a comment, and share this video with someone who might enjoy it. And just like that, our corn is ready. Trust me, we really enjoy this corn on this particular day. The corn up walk. Oh, I honestly wish I could experience that moment all over again. The cool weather, the sound of the rain, and the hot corn and pear. It was such a beautiful combination, and it's definitely an experience I would love to have again and again and again. So tell me guys, did you enjoy this recipe? Have you cooked corn for your family recently? I honestly feel like corn is one of those foods that almost every Nigerian loves. I hardly come across anyone who would say I don't like corn. The only difference is that some people prefer their corn boiled while others prefer it roasted. Personally, I think roasted corn can be a little challenging to chew if you don't have a strong teeth. But either way, corn remains one of those popular Nigerian street foods that so many people enjoy. So tell me, let me know in the comment section. Are you team corn? Are you team boiled corn or team roasted corn? And again, are you team corn and pear or team corn and coconuts? Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to be part of this beautiful family. I will see you in my next video. Bye.